All right, so we're gonna get started with the first foundation pose. And in this foundation pose, we're gonna have them form a V, and here's how we coach them into that position. We'll say, I want you guys to think of yourself like the hinge of a door. I want you to wrap your arms, your back arms around each other. Wonderful. I don't want there to be space between you. And I don't want to see so much of your hand. Timmy? That hand. Perfect. I'd like your front hand, your left hand, to be thumb in pocket. Wonderful. And Raquel, I want your hand to be up and a little away from, yes, perfect. And the more angles that I can build, and I'm going to try to help you with like feet, knees, hips, but at every joint that I can build an angle in, I'm going to want to build that angle in. If it feels awkward, you're probably doing it right. Now, before we get started, are there any images while we're here that would mean the most to you guys that we can get? I've got plenty of ideas, but if there's something particular you've got in mind, I'm happy to do that too.
Something that feels natural.
We can do natural. So, Raquel, what I'm going to have you do is one leg up. Yes, perfect, just like that. You can shift your weight to the back leg a little bit. You can bring your hand back. Wonderful. And you can angle in just a little bit. Great. And the hair on your right side. Perfect. That's great. Great. And now what I'd like you to do, Raquel, is I want you to angle in towards Tim more. Like that. That's perfect. That's exactly right, as a matter of fact. And now what I want you to do, Raquel, is to tell him something that you think will make him laugh, perhaps hysterically, if you could. Something funny. Just whisper at him. Oh, it didn't even start and he's gone. He's gone before it even started. I love it. All right. So now what we're going to do, relax. Perfect. We're going to come back together like that. And this time, you guys are going to look at each other. Uh-oh. And Raquel, what I want you to do is I want you to like angle away from him. Yeah, like that. Perfect. That's great. And now, Raquel, I want you to look at me. Tim, you're still looking at her? That's great. Oh, that's beautiful. Just gorgeous. I love it. And just sort of angle around with the head a little bit. That's good. Angle it one way and then back the other. Perfect. Chin down just a little. Oh yeah, that's great. Just nice and easy. Yeah. All right, and now what we're gonna do is I want you guys to shift this way just a tiny bit. So think like you're on perfect, like you're on a turntable. Good, now relax. Now, Tim, what I want you to do is to put your left hand, so come back together again and put your left hand up on the neck. Not your neck, Raquel's. On Raquel's neck. Perfect. And Raquel, what I want you to do is put your hand on Tim's arm. Good. And then I want you to like this with the elbow. You can bring it up a little bit on Tim's arm so that it's maybe right here. And then just bring it around subtly. Yeah, great. Like you're pulling him in almost a little bit. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, and you can just kind of move your head around slowly. Good. Now, Tim, look at me. Good. Good. And now, Raquel, yeah, that's good. I actually really like, just kind of keep your hand loose and maybe just move it up and down Tim's arm a little bit. Tim, you can look at Raquel, and Raquel, you can look at me. You're a little bit prettier than Tim, so we're gonna focus this thing on you, if that's all right. I'm sure Tim will be disappointed about that, but oh, that's beautiful. Head back. Yeah. Great. Really try to angle your head back. Oh, that's beautiful. Just like that. Good, and angle that hand around like, yeah, good, I really like that. And now what you can do is put your hand up on Tim's neck also. You can go underneath his arm. Good, up on his neck, and then just bring the hand around. Good, Tim, you can drop your arm down now. Great, like that, good. And then just bring your wrist in like this. Yeah, like that, great. And you can just sort of move it around a little bit. Good, like the thumb, that's perfect, good. Angle back now. With your head, like real far back. Woo, like real far back. Yeah, like that. Good. That's perfect. All right, let's stop for just a sec. It's fantastic, by the way. So here's where we're at. Good? On the right track? Okay, cool.